start. So let's watch it through. And then it should be playing sound now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a code on this app called Scratch. You can do it online, which I'm going to do as well. And I'm going to be showing you how to use like them talking. So what you want to do is you're going to click in search the web, and you're going to type in Scratch like this, okay, and then you're going to click enter. And it should be the first one, Scratch, Imagine, Program, Share. You're going to click on that, and you're going to make yourself an account. It's totally free. All of it is free, so you can just do it yourself. And as you can see, these are like all of other people's creations, but I'm going to be showing you one that I've done, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it. Okay, so I've made a simple one that we're going to be doing today, so I'm just going to click start, and we're going to watch it through. And yeah, it should stop, but it won't, but it doesn't matter. Stop it. Now then, I'm going to be showing you, oh, don't look at that. I'm going to be showing you how to do it now. So, I've just gone on to Scratch, and we're going to click on Create. And I'm going to be creating a new project. So, first of all, you can choose a sprite. So if I get rid of this one, if you go down here, there should be like a cat face, and click on that, and it comes up with a humongous library of tons of characters and stuff. Let's go for a fantasy one. Let's go for this guy. Okay, so I've started him here. You can also choose a background, or backdrop it's called. I'm gonna choose blue sky. There we go. So what you want to do first is go on this side. Okay, there's tons of different coloured circles. What you're going to do is you're going to click on events first, and you're going to drag when green flag clicked into this big workspace here. Okie dokie. And now what I want you to do is you're going to go onto motion. Okay, I'm just checking this one. Okay, and then you're going to find, go to X, Y, okay, so this one here, go to X, and then there should be like a white bar, and then Y, white bar. So you're going to drag that, and you're going to connect it with the first one. And what I want you to do is go to X minus 11, and then Y is going to be a 4. Now you are going to go on to looks, which is the purple circle, and then it should be the top one. It says say white bar for white bar seconds. So you're going to drag that and connect it with this, and I want mine to say hello and for 2 seconds. And now I'm going to drag another one, and it's going to say you can say whatever you want if you just click on it and then click delete, or you can just backspace the whole thing. It's up to you. I'm just gonna say welcome to this tutorial. Okie dokie. And I want that to say for, let's go for 3 seconds, just so I can show you that it changes. So this is the code I have for now, and then I'm going to say I'm gonna drag another one in. Hold on, how many have I done? So yeah, I want to drag another one in. So another say hello for 2 seconds. I'm gonna change that to hope you enjoy. And I'm gonna do that for 5 seconds. And then it says I'm going to play sound. So we're going to go onto the pink circle here and sounds. And then we're going to do play sound. And it should just be a purple box until done. I'm going to drag that into my code. And now, if you don't want pop, you click on record. But if you don't want to record your voice, then you don't have to. So basically you just click the record button and say your thing and then click it again, but we're not going to do that. I'm going to add a sound. So I just click the cross, and what I want to do is go to this sound bar here and it says choose a sound, and I click on that and then I'm going to choose one. I can't hear it because my headphones aren't very good, so I'm just going to choose a random one. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but I'm just going to choose a random one. I know one that I actually like. It's called Egg. I know it's weird, but I'm going to click on that, and then I'm just going to delete this one with this bin icon and click on it, and then this is the sound I want. So I'm going to use that sound. And then you're going to click on this, in this corner where the scratch icon is, you're going to go down, and there's going to be 3 buttons, code, costumes, sounds. You're going to click on code to go back to your code. And then if you click on what sound's there, you click on it, your one should be at the top now. So we've done that. Now we're going to go onto motion. And then we're going to go to X, random, Y, random. And you're going to drag that into your code. And now I want you to go to X, 157, pretty sure, yes. And then Y, I want it to be 54. Okie dokie. And now we're gonna do one more saying, which I go onto the purple circle, which is looks. I drag it, the first one, into my bar, and then let's say thanks for watching. Okay, I'm gonna say that for 10 seconds just to make it nice and long. And then that is it. So, what's this? Okay, so, and then that is our whole code. And if you want it to be full screen, you just go into this corner and there's like 3-4 arrows going out onto the sides. Then if you click on this green flag, your code will start. So let's watch it through. And then it should be playing sound now. I can't hear it. And then it's done. And you're going to click on this red button, which is stop, and then it should stop it. So that was my tutorial on Scratch. If you want to see more of these videos, comment down below. And I hope you did enjoy this video. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye, my adorable people.